In today's video, we have some news on Andrade's current WWE status, but if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for daily WWE news. Alright guys, so the last time we saw Andrade on WWE television was actually last year in October in a match against Angel Garza, which he ended up losing. And ever since then, many fans have been waiting to see him return to the company. Well, according to a report from Fightful Select, Buddy Murphy and Cedric Alexander were put on a list as alternates for the Royal Rumble. However, Andrade was not even on the list as an alternate for this year's event. In addition, it remains unknown if he was even at the building during the Royal Rumble. Therefore, it looks like we will have to wait and see when Andrade will make his return to WWE. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's video. Stay safe, and as always, I will see you guys on the next one.